come out to check the, I don't know if that's picking that up. The mango beer is at 65 degrees. It's fermenting it. And I come out to see the bubbler here to see if she's still active after 1 week. I just saw, I'm moving the camera around. I just saw a bubble. This is 1 week today. This is the mango. Oh yeah. She's still got a little fermentation going on there. So we're going to let her go before we keg it. It's going to be a good beer. I know it's a good beer. It's always been a good beer. And we made this one like 5 different times. And if it's a good beer, make it again and again and again and again. Why wouldn't you? We change the recipe a little bit each time. Not by much, but I put the recipes online. They're always there to see. I wish I'd keep my notes better. I got to start doing better notes on stuff. But we do enjoy this one. This will get in the keg, probably by the end of the week. Today is Eclipse Day, and we're looking for that shortly here. Depends on the weather, whether the sun's going to be out or not. But we'll try to watch it. We got the glasses and whatnot. We'll see what happens. If we get to see it fully or not, that doesn't matter to me. It is what it is. So yeah, let this continue to ferment. That's 64 degrees out here. Perfect temperature. And we'll get this in the keg next week. A shot of some of the tomatoes we got growing under the lights out here. And over here in the wagon, I can take these out in the sunlight if I want, if we ever get any. But this is the 3 different varieties of tomatoes we got started out here in the garage. And they'll be going in the ground in a month. Why wouldn't they? Nice tomatoes.